In today's video, I'm going to do this, so I'm going to teach you how to become a registered business on TikTok. By the end, you'll have your TikTok account switched to a business setup with access to tools like analytics, the business suite, and other features designed for brands. Start by opening your browser and heading to TikTok.com. On the home page, look toward the upper right corner and select Login. Choose the sign-in method you normally use. This might be an email and password, a code, or a connected account. If you're prompted to pick from existing accounts, select the one you want to use for your business presence. Continue through the on-screen prompts, review any permissions, and confirm when asked. Click. Continue to finish logging in. Once you're in, go to your profile. You'll find your profile icon in the top area of the site. From your profile page, open the settings by clicking the gear icon. This takes you to your account's settings and privacy area, where you can control everything from security to account type. Look for the business account option. When you find it, turn the toggle on. This doesn't change your content, it simply reclassifies your account to unlock business tools. Next, click Become a Business. TikTok will guide you through a brief onboarding. You'll be asked to select a category, choose the one that best represents your brand or the content you create. This helps TikTok tailor recommendations and can affect access to certain features and audio options. If you are unsure, pick the closest match. You can typically update this later if your focus shifts. After choosing your category, confirm by clicking Become a Business again. You should now land in the business suite. Here, you'll see a prompt to register now. Click Register Now to complete your business registration within TikTok's system. You may be asked for basic business details. Keep your information consistent with your official records to speed up review. This step helps unlock eligibility for additional features and ensures your brand is properly recognized. A few quick tips as you go. If you don't see the business account toggle, make sure your app or browser is up to date, or try using a desktop browser. Features can vary by region and account history, so your screens may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Choosing the right category also helps with discovery and may influence available music libraries, so pick thoughtfully. That's it. Your account is now set up as a registered business on TikTok, ready for growth, insights, and brand tools.